Hello students, welcome back to KVRA Academy online study channel. Myself Ramasis Maurya, your mathematics teacher. In offline classes, we have already covered up to exercise 1B. Today we are going to start our exercise 1C. In exercise 1C, first of all, we will come to know about the concept of rational numbers. What are rational numbers? So before discussing about rational number, first of all we will discuss about natural number, whole number, integers. So first of all, natural numbers. As we know, counting numbers are known as natural number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So these are natural numbers. Whole numbers, natural numbers including 0 is known as whole number. So 0 and natural number. So 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot. So these are known as whole number. After that, integers. Integers, the negative number, positive number and 0, all together they are known as integers. So as I told, negative numbers. So suppose -3, -2, -1, here 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot. So in this side also infinitely negative numbers, here infinitely positive numbers and 0. All these are known as integers. So now we will discuss about rational number. So the number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not is equal to 0. So as I told, P by Q both are integers and Q should not be equal to the 0, because when Q will be 0, this number will be undefined. So always we have to remember that Q not equal to 0 in the rational number. After that, decimal expansion of rational number. Decimal expansion of rational numbers. All the rational numbers, when they are expressed in decimal form, the expansion will be either terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal. Terminating decimal means after some digit the decimal will be terminate, and in non-terminating repeating the decimal will be not terminated, but the digits will repeat after some digit. So there will have be fixed number of repeating block. So terminating and non-terminating but repeating decimal expansions are rational number, and non-terminating, non-repeating. This type of decimal number will be irrational number. So we are discussing here about rational number. In P by Q form, we can observe some result. So important observation. Let R be a rational number. And R is equal to P by Q, where P and Q both are in the simplest form, means there is no any common factor in P and Q. So when we will express it in the form of decimal expansion, we will get some observation. First, when Q has factors only 2 and 5, it will be terminating decimal. Means if Q has only factors 2 and 5, so it will be terminating decimal. And second one, when Q has factors other than 2 and 5, it will be non-terminating decimal. So you can see here, when Q has factor other than 2 and 5 also, for example 2, 3 and 5, so it will be non-terminating decimal. And if factors are only 2 and 5, it will be terminating decimal. So now we will discuss one question from our exercise 1C. Here the question is that without actual division, show that each of the following rational number is terminating decimal. So without actual division, so that 23 upon 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2 is terminating decimal. So Let's solve this. (23 upon 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2). You can see here that the denominator is in the form of 2 to the power m and 5 to the power n, means in the denominator only 2 and 5 are the factors. So this number has terminating decimal here. Denominator is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So 23 upon 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2 is a terminating decimal. If there is any common factor in numerator and denominator, first of all, you will have to convert the rational number in its simplest form, and after that you will have to check the factors of the denominator. If there is only 2 and 5 in the factor of denominator, it will have terminating decimal, and if there is any other factor also except 2 and 5, it will have non-terminating decimal. So this way you can check that the number is terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. That's all. Thank you.